Now you can really see how we shaved that out for this tree right here. You know, and that's the reason we did this, you know, so when we pull it in here, that's not gonna hit that tree. Okay, but it might swoop through this oak tree just a little bit, but that's gonna be okay. You know, as long as it don't break anything, we're good. And I think we're far enough away from the house to where it'll work out. You're never gonna believe this, YouTube, even if I told you. But got another dead ash tree. Thanks to the ash borer, you know. So we're back here in the hometown, and got a call about this ash tree up here. Starting to die, thin out. We cut some low limbs on it last year that was really, really dead. And you know, she kind of knew that the tree was gonna die, and it's really starting to now, you know. So we're gonna bring you guys along while we cut it down. So we'll see you guys up at the top in just a second. But before we go, I just wanted to say, if you're watching this video, please subscribe. I tell you what, like 80% of our viewers are not subscribers, you know. So if you're watching this, please subscribe. Leave this video a like, okay? Comment to us. Trying to get these videos out there, you know. We'd like people to see them, and you know, we like to kind of project some of the things that we're doing out here, maybe some of our tips, tricks, etc. Might show you a few things, you know. But if you do like this video, please be sure to leave it a like. Go ahead and subscribe. Out of the kindness of your heart, we'd greatly appreciate it. We'll see you guys at the top. Sitting here looking at this, YouTube, and I think what we're going to do is just kind of get some of these side branches off of here. You know, I think we're going to get some of them side branches off there, and I think we're just going to pull this thing over, you know. Me and James looking at it, and we got all this open area. The only thing is we got this little tree here, little bush, you know, I think it's a holly tree. Then we got another little stuff right there, you know. So, but there's a tree. I think if we take that side off, I think it'll work out great. I think some of these limbs here probably swoop into that oak tree a little bit, but I think it'll just swoosh right through there, you know, like a Nike swoosh, you know. So yeah, that's the plan. All right, we got the rigging set up here. This tree has been topped before, so you can see the dangerous cavities down there, but we're just gonna swing these out there into the alley. We'll probably drop this stem here, get it out of the way, and like I said, I think we're gonna pull it down into that opening there, guys. So Yuck. Dead ash. Dead ash tree. All right. Pop it out of there. Yeah. That's it. Yeah. I lost the old shades there. Yeah. There you go. There's your one. Ready? Out towards the alley. Yeah, perfect. why I roped it, because I thought it would hang up in there.
That was right.
All right, so we got this side pretty much cleared off. I'm gonna leave these two because I don't think they're in striking distance of that little tree over there and the shed and all that. That's mainly what we're trying to miss, is that little redbud tree right there. Okay, and so we're gonna go ahead and leave this stuff. I think it'll be fine. And I gotta get over here and get these stems here off, because they'll definitely get over there, and it may be them two right there. We're gonna leave majority of the weight leaning towards the house, but we're gonna pull it out this way. I believe this hinge will, or this ash tree will hinge well. I have a very strong hinge, I believe, so we should be able to pull that off. But I look over here and I'm trying to swing over here, and I just noticed the angle of my rope, kind of a rough swing there. So what I decided to do is take the end of my climb line and put a Blake hitch right there in the end of it. So that's going to help me transition back over to where we were. Okay, now that we're back over here, lanyard on, and we'll disconnect this. And this, like I said, this is just the end of your climb line, so you just basically kind of throw that down when you're done. And all you really need for that Blake hitch setup is a carabiner. That's all the tools required. James, can I get you to pull the end of my climb line through here? No, it wasn't me, I don't think. No. Yeah, you there?
Yeah.
All right. Yeah. All right, so now we're right back to where we was. Hope that tip helps somebody. All right, go ahead and send me that rope. Let me get over back in position before you tie it on though. We'll just be needing it. Well, there it is, YouTube. We got it wrapped up. Getting ready to go down, put a notch in her now. All right, so you can see we got that side cut off. Okay, and that's just gonna kind of make room for this right here, you know, because we don't want to hit this guy's tree. This belongs to the other guy over here. We're working for these people, you know. You won't go smashing somebody's tree, you know what I mean? But anyways, we got a lot of room to play with, you know, and we shaved that one side off, so I think it's gonna fall right in here, you know. Now you can really see how we shaved that out for this tree right here, you know. And that's the reason we did this, you know, so when we pull it in here, that's not gonna hit that tree. Okay, but it might swoop through this oak tree just a little bit, but that's gonna be okay, you know. As long as it don't break anything, we're good. And I think we're far enough away from the house to where it'll work out, you know. So we are definitely gonna bring you along. So if you guys enjoyed the climbing, enjoyed the video, be sure to leave it a like, you know, go to our channel, subscribe, you know you want to, you know you like our tree chopping action and our videos and stuff, you know. If you're watching them, you probably like them, you know what I mean? So give them a like, go to the channel, subscribe. We'll catch you guys when this thing's down on the ground. go nuts, YouTube. That there, YouTube, what that 500i would do. Major shout out to Steel. It made a powerful saw. But that tree's down, YouTube. Now we'll show you what we got. So tree down, fell right where we wanted it. Little tree's okay. You know, thanks to those limbs we cut off on that side there. That's why we did that, you know, so that would clear that little tree. I think it would have got that little tree probably, you know. We're right here. Oak tree okay. Tree down. House good. Everybody happy here, YouTube. Walk you up here to the stump and show you the overall size of this tree here. It's a pretty good size ash tree, YouTube. All right, we got my foot on that stump. We did leave the hinge relatively thick, even all the way through. You know, we had a lot on the line there, YouTube, but it went good. Little redbud tree is still alive. We're still alive and we're going. So thank you guys for watching. If you enjoyed the video, please be sure to leave it a like. Go to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys on the next one.